If you want to start making money on Fiverr in 2026, one of the most important things is choosing the right gig. Because honestly, a lot of beginners fail. Not because Fiverr is bad, but because they choose services nobody is searching for. Meanwhile, other people are making money with surprisingly simple gigs every single day. So in this video, I'll show you some of the best Fiverr gigs to make money in 2026, especially beginner-friendly services that are in high demand right now. First, short-form video editing. And honestly, this is one of the hottest Fiverr categories right now because businesses and creators constantly need TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and caption videos. And the best part is, you don't even need professional editing software anymore. A lot of freelancers now use CapCut, Instagram Edits, and AI editing tools to create content quickly. And honestly, simple editing gigs are making a lot of money right now. Now, another great Fiverr gig, YouTube thumbnails, because every creator wants more clicks, and thumbnails massively affect views. The good thing is, you can create thumbnails using tools like Canva, Photoshop, or AI image tools. And honestly, many successful thumbnail designers started with very basic skills. Now, another huge opportunity in 2026 AI content services, because businesses are now searching for people who understand AI tools. For example, many freelancers now offer ChatGPT content creation, AI-generated scripts, captions, blog posts, product descriptions, or social media content. And honestly, this category is growing extremely fast. Now, let's talk about another beginner-friendly service: subtitles and captions for videos. Because almost every short-form video now uses captions, especially on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And honestly, you can now create subtitles quickly using tools like CapCut, TikTok Captions, or Instagram Edits, which makes this service much easier than before. Now, another underrated Fiverr gig, Canva design services. Because a lot of small businesses need flyers, social media posts, presentations, or digital products. And honestly, many clients care more about clean designs than advanced graphic design skills. Now, here's another thing that's exploding in 2026: UGC-style content. This means creating simple, natural videos for brands. Even small creators are getting paid to make product reactions testimonials or casual-style videos, because brands now prefer authentic content instead of overly polished ads. Now, another important thing, don't try offering too many services at first, because honestly specialized gigs usually perform much better. For example, instead of "I edit videos," say "I create viral TikTok Reels with captions." And honestly, specific gigs usually attract buyers faster. Now, let's talk about pricing, because beginners often make this mistake: charging too high without reviews. Most successful sellers start with lower prices, fast delivery, and strong customer service, then slowly increase prices after getting reviews. And honestly, reviews matter a lot on Fiverr. Now, here's another hidden strategy using AI tools to work faster, because honestly, many freelancers in 2026 are not working harder. They're working smarter, using tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, CapCut, and AI voice tools. Lets freelancers complete jobs much faster and take more clients. Now, let's be honest for a second. Fiverr is more competitive than before, but honestly, there's also more demand than ever for content creation, editing, AI services, and digital work. The people making money are usually the ones who stay consistent, improve their gigs, and learn skills that businesses already need. So, to wrap this up, some of the best Fiverr gigs to make money in 2026 are short-form video editing, YouTube thumbnails, AI content services, video captions, Canva design work, and UGC-style videos. Because honestly, simple digital skills combined with AI tools are becoming one of the easiest ways to start making money online today.